I was just riding on my bike and saw this beautiful sunset. So I thought to capture it down and share with you guys too. And I was also thinking like how happy the nature seems. The birds, animals, everyone else is happy except human being. See how beautifully these duck kids are walking beside her mother and going back to home. I think we should also get back to our recipe now. Hey people, today I am going to share sausage recipes, and that too vegan sausage recipes. It's very amazing and delicious. Also easy for breakfast, lunch or dinner. And most important, you can freeze them in the freezer around 15 days and eat it whenever you like it. So without wasting any time, let's dig into it. First of all, I am adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can also add regular oil, whichever you use in your kitchen. Now I am going to add 1 onion, 1 teaspoon of garlic and 1 teaspoon of ginger, little bit of salt. That helps to cook onion quickly. Don't cook it much, just make it translucent. See, only this much we need to cook. And now I am adding 1 mushroom. This is like, see, you can see it's finely chopped. Make it like as small as you can because we have to bind it in sausage, so it will be easy if it's small. Here we go. Just toss it well and allow this to cook around 2 to 3 minutes and bring down to the room temperature. One cup of white bean. I soaked this around 8 hours. You can also leave overnight. This is half cup of soya chunks. Also going to add in this one and going to blend it. You can also do in a food processor, mixer, whatever you like. Just going to blend this well. See, this is the result. If you like, you can also add little bit of water, only 1 tablespoon max, but you have to make a fine paste like this. Yeah, now I'm going to transferring this in a bowl, seasoning it with little bit of salt, crushed fresh black pepper, half teaspoon of thyme. This gives great flavor. I'm adding Italian flavor to this, and half teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of dried mint, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. If you don't want spicy, skip this one. And the mixture which we made with the onion, garlic and mushroom, this is around 2 tablespoons of so. And now I'm going to add wheat gluten, around 1 cup. I'm going to pour 1 tablespoon of oil and just clean your hands and make it a dough. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. This gives a nice color to the sausages. I'm not going to add in a go. We'll add little by little so that it can form a dough properly. See, this is the dough. This is the consistency which we need. It's not sticking to my hand. It's not a tight dough. It's not a soft dough. It's just perfect consistency. We need this consistency. And now it's time to make sausages. Let's see what to do for that. First of all, I'm going to spray a little bit of oil on the parchment paper. I took this much quantity of a dough and going to roll it like this. You can give any shape, whichever shape you like to give, but sausages are generally like this. I'm going to shape it like this, placing here. Just rolling like this. I'm going to seal it like this. Going to make all, and this will give around 6 to 8 servings of this size of sausages. So yeah. see, our sausages are done. Now we are going to steam this. I do have a steamer like this, but if you don't have anything, you can also do in a normal pan. I'm going to add a little bit of water so that it makes steam. I do have a normal idli stand. I'm just going to place it like this. I'm going to place sausages all over. We'll see the result when it will be cooled down. Yeah, it's going to see. Now it's 50 minutes and it's also cooled down. So I'm going to open one for you guys. As you can see that what's the result. Wow, this is nice. This is bind, completely bind. This is the way I want. And I'm going to cut one. I'm going to show that how it looks. See the texture. You can also place it in a pan and then you can grill it, but I prefer to make it on barbecue. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel. That gives lots of motivation to me to make more videos. See you in next video. Till then, bye. Take care.